Yo, what's up, man? You already know what it is. We make art, we sell art in your face. Within your face art book, book. Within your face art, man. If you're new to this channel, we make art, we sell art. That's pretty much what we do on this channel. So please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the video. My goal is to make millions of dollars with books. Now, I know that sounds a little crazy. You're like, wait a minute, books? You're not talking about basketball. You're not talking about from podcasting, being this big time social media influencer. I'm not talking about being a rapper. I'm talking about being an author. And I believe that it is possible with the right marketing, with the right books, and the right team. I have never done this before, but this is a goal that I'm having. And one of the ways that I want to do it is making my own subscription service. Now, this picture that you're working on, this is a picture that's going to be to my very first official book. This book is going to be at least 50 something pages long. It's a book called I Did Already. So that's going to be available before Christmas. So I have everything in the works for it right now. But a subscription service. I've been doing a lot of research about subscription services, and subscription services make a lot of money. Okay. What is a subscription service? A subscription service. That's basically saying every single month, a certain amount of money is coming out, and you're providing something. So, I mean, it could be for my Patreon, I could do a subscription service through there. So for instance, if I say, hey, look, every single month you're going to get 2 digital books or a digital book or whatever, $5 a month, something small like that, that would be what people will want to get for my subscription service. If they want to support the book, if they don't have to worry about purchasing anything, it just automatically comes to them. And I believe that I can do it. I believe that I can make a subscription service with my books, and that people who really want to support and have children and want them to have, brand new books, and they love all the rhymes and the different stories that are coming out. I mean, because for me, this is what I look at. Every single day, a new kid is being born. Every single day, there's a new second grader, first grader, third grader, fifth grader. This is what you call evergreen content. Okay. You definitely want to remember that word, evergreen. Well, words. Evergreen content. That is something that is just not going anywhere anytime soon. It's not going anywhere. Education, storytelling, story time, those type of things, it's never going anywhere. So, I want to be able to have some type of subscription service that people are able to get my books if they want to support me. And I believe when you do something like that, you're able to make the millions. I mean, I want to create something that I haven't seen before in my family, and I want to be able to leave something behind, you know? So with that being said, I believe I can do it. And I know it sounds kind of far-fetched, but you got to think about it. Let's look at people's following, like followers, right? If we had like let's say what is that, 200,000 people. You got a lot of people that got followers, and they got 200,000 people or whatnot as their followers. But if they could get each of those people to spend $5 with them, man, that's got to be almost $1 million or so. And if you could do that monthly, that's an insane amount. I think Kai Cenat, if you guys know Kai Cenat, the YouTube, the Twitch streamer, he has 656,000 people who are his subs. They are subscribed to his Twitch stream. And I've seen the minimum is $4.99. So $4.99. At 600 and something. Do you know this guy's bringing in he's grossing 3 million, but I believe he's taking away $1 million or something every single month because he has a 70-30 split with Twitch. That is insane. Insane. Do you understand? Listen, doctors don't make that kind of money. Lawyers don't make that kind of money. There are some basketball players. A month? Nah, man. This dude is raking in big time, man. And this is a consistent income. Like he just hit the record for like the most, I believe, subscribers on Twitch or something like that. But I mean, just look at these numbers, man. You know, even on the low end, let's do it on the super low end. You got like, I don't know, we got 200 people spending $5 with you and stuff. This is just passive income, and you have a digital download. See, the reason why I want digital downloads, a digital product, is because I don't want to have to ship anything anymore. I don't want to have like, I'll always have books and stuff available, like the physical copies, but I'm saying like you want to have an option where people can just download it to their phone. And that's where building a brand comes in. Like actually building a brand. Because when you build a brand, then yeah, you have other options and books and libraries and all that type of stuff. But people are supporting it because they want to support you. They like what you're doing. They want to support what you got going on. And that's very, very important. When you have the people behind you, man, that is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful feeling. So that's why I believe that I can do it. Because I believe that if I can garner up 1 million, followers, subscribers, whatever, I'm just looking at the odds of how many people I could get to support my business, whether we're just $5, $8, $7, to support my children's books, to support my books and my rhymes and all that stuff with these books. I believe I definitely can do it. And that's what the goal is. So it doesn't really sound too crazy for me to say, I'm going to become a multi-millionaire from selling books. And I'm not talking about like full feature novels like, like your Harry Potters and things like that, or Goosebumps books. I'm talking about children's books. I know it's going to be a hard, long road. I know it's not going to be easy, but I believe in myself. I believe I can do it. And now my goal is I want to drop a book every month. I'm eventually going to hire a team where I'll be able to drop like 2 to 3 books a month. So I'm going to hire a team to help me. So I'm going to teach them, show them how the character's supposed to look, all that cool stuff. Even like this character is one of my main characters. He's pretty cool. He's going to be one of the flagship characters of my books. But, I'm going to teach them all this stuff. And that way I'll be able to free up more of my time. So that way we can push out even more books, so we can give even better incentives for the people who support us and our company and what we do. So I think it's possible, man. I really do. I believe that I'm going to do this. I've made a lot of money before, like selling the t-shirts and all that stuff. But I think we could take it to a whole nother level with a character that's ours, our own creation, our own designs. Like, this is going to be a game changer. And I'm going to go at it super hard. Super duper hard, man. So you guys tell me what you think, What do you think? Do you think I will be able to have a subscription service for my books, for my, diehard supporters, people who really support me? I think I'll be able to do it. I really believe I'll figure out a way to do it. So, as usual, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and give yourself a big, big, big pat on the back if you made it this far in the video, which is freaking awesome, man. That means that you really rock with me, man, and I really, really appreciate that. The viewership and the time on these videos means a lot to me. If you want to support this channel further, you can go to inyourfaceart.com. You can purchase you some artwork like some canvases, posters. We got t-shirts, hoodies. We got all kind of stuff on the website. Also, if you don't want to get any artwork, you just want to support, you can always hit the Cash App as well. And I believe my Patreon, I'm going to make sure that my Patreon is in the link in the description, because I'm about to change my Patreon up. I had my Patreon set to like give out posters and stuff like that, but I'm about to switch that up as well. We're gonna be doing it with the books and stuff from now on because that is my main focus moving forward. So yeah, if you want to join the Patreon, you'll be able to do that as well. But thank you guys so very much. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for listening to me talk about what my goals and stuff are. And yeah, man, let me know if that's something that you would be interested in supporting because I'm definitely going for it. I'm going for the gusto. I'm going, man. I'm believing in myself and I'm going full fledged. And I'm not gonna let nothing stop that. I'm gonna make it happen, like no matter what. And then I'm gonna sit back and I'm gonna be cool and I'm just going to flood the world with some dope artwork and some dope rhymes, man. You already know what it is. We make art, we sell art. In your face. And I'll talk to you later, man. Peace.